Why is this happening? So of course, the day that I decide to film is the day that my neighbors decide they want to have a party on a random Wednesday evening. So if you hear music in the background, I apologize in advance, but I had to take advantage of the moment that I actually felt like turning the camera on. So we're just gonna have to deal with that. Hey guys, it's Lilypad Polish and long time no see. I haven't uploaded a video in about a month at this point. I think today marks exactly a month since I last uploaded my most recent nail tutorial. Today is May 16th, so by the time you're seeing this video, it should be over a month now, which is crazy. And so I decided that instead of just going in with a regular nail art tutorial, that I do a little chit chat nail art video as I've done in the past. I think I've done like 2 or 3 of them at this point, and I figured why not do another one, just because I sort of wanted to talk with you guys and update you guys on where I've been mentally about nail art, because clearly I haven't been too fond of it as of late because I haven't been uploading. So I just sort of wanted to talk to you guys about that, and I'm going to be painting my nails while I'm doing it. So usually I do some real nail art, but I don't really have time for that today. So I'm just going to be painting my nails with Starly's Magic Rainbow, which is such a pretty holographic nail polish. It's probably my favorite silver holographic polish. So I'm just going to be sort of painting my nails and talking with you guys. So yeah, if you guys care to know, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to be using the Peel Off base coat, and I think I said in a previous video that I was possibly going to be reviewing it, but I don't think I will, just because it's so talked about and I feel like there are probably a ton of reviews over this base coat already. And I don't really have any feelings towards this base coat. I love it and I hate it at the same time, because it does what it's supposed to do. It does peel off your nail polish really fast and easy, but it's like a little too fast and easy, if you know what I mean. Like, it just, I don't know, like I will be like putting my hair up in a bun or something and a nail just pops off, and that's not so fun, especially lately that I haven't been doing nail art and I've just been painting my nails like a solid color. I kind of want it to last more than a day, so I don't know how I feel about it, because it peels off awesomely. I don't know what I'm trying to say. It peels off really good, but it just, I don't know, it doesn't last, which is sort of what I've been looking for lately anyway. But if you really like changing your nails like on the daily, then you'd love this one. And if you're like maybe doing swatches or something like that, like nail swatches, then this would probably be good for that too, as long as you don't do a thick coat, because if you do a thick coat of this, then it takes forever to dry. You sort of have to keep it thin in order for it to work well. But anyway, I don't know when this turned into a review video, but basically the reason why I wanted to do this video is just because I'm not sure how I'm feeling about like YouTube and nail art and stuff like that. And I'm in no way saying that like I want to stop doing it, but it's definitely not as fun for me as it used to be. And I feel like that's really just because I don't really know what to do. And it's like I have all of these video ideas. Like I want to do a ton more of how to nail art videos, which I have 2 of already, and you guys seem to like those. And I have ideas to do more and other nail tutorials or like nail designs and things that I want to try out and stuff like that. So it's not like I've run out of ideas, but I just feel like a lot of the ideas that I have, you guys won't really like them. I don't know. It's just like I feel like I only have a certain type of audience, I guess. So I feel like most of you guys, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so like my green chrome nail tutorial, for example, that video, it didn't do that well, like as in it didn't really get a lot of views, and I don't even think it got a comment, or maybe it got like one. I don't know, but I feel like a lot of the time, and even though I know that a lot of you guys watch my videos and stuff, it feels like nobody is watching them. And I don't know, it's so weird because the amount of subscribers that I have now and the amount of views that I get now, it's way more than I ever have before, and it's way more than I even thought I would have in the first place. So I'm like so thankful for that, and I don't know why, I just feel like no one wants to really see videos from me anymore. And I guess it's like from the comments, because you know when you guys comment, it's like interactive, like I actually see that people are watching it, and even though you know on YouTube the view count says a certain number, it's like those numbers don't really seem real to me unless like you comment, and then I'm like, oh, that's Sally right there, you know what I mean? I feel like I'm like not making sense right now, but that's sort of how it is for me right now. And also like the act of actually doing nail art has become sort of like a chore lately, and you know I'm doing this video right now because I'm really wanting to like get into it again, because I do miss it, and it was like something that was really like relaxing for me, and something that I would do when I was stressed out about homework and school and things like that. But now it's just become sort of like a thing that takes up a lot of my time, and I don't want it to be that way, because at one point it was something that I made sure to make time for. So it's not like I don't have time to do nail art, it's just sort of that I've lately been choosing not to make any time for it. So I don't know, I guess the purpose of this video is to sort of ask you guys for help, and to sort of see how I can fix this. So I've had like the idea, I think my base coat is dry now, but I've had the idea of possibly making like an uploading schedule. So maybe I can upload like every Monday and Thursday, or like every, you know, whatever day, like maybe 2 to 3 times a week. And I feel like if I tell you guys and you guys are liking it, then I would be more inclined to actually follow through. And if you guys have like video requests and ideas that like you would like to see from me, then that would help a ton, because I love when you guys give me requests. It makes me want to follow through. Because the whole point of this channel is to help you guys with nail art and things nail related. So I'd be more than happy to do a video that you guys would want to see. And any other type of suggestions, I would gladly like to hear them down in the comments below. I feel like this video is the most all over the place video that I've ever uploaded in my life. As of right now, I don't even know if I'm going to upload it, because I don't even know what I'm saying, but it's how I'm feeling. I don't really know how I'm feeling, you know what I mean? So verbally, what I'm saying is probably not going to make that much sense, because my thoughts aren't making that much sense. I'm just gonna quit right now, okay? So anyway, what I'm trying to say, all in all, is basically that I really want to get into uploading more often and doing nail art videos more often, and uploading what you guys want to see. And I'm just trying to figure out a way for that to happen. And of course, I'm just like also really busy. I work, and then I also am in school. But luckily I'm doing online classes right now for the summer, online summer classes, so it's not too bad, and I definitely do have time to film for you guys a few days in the week if I really wanted to. So that's the plan. I'm hoping that uploading this video and putting it out into the world and letting you guys know that I'm going to start uploading more often is going to push me to actually do it and follow through, because I hate to say something and then not do it. You know what I mean? So I feel like this video is hopefully the start to a lot more videos to come, and hopefully it'll just motivate me to do a lot more. I feel like no one even follows me on Instagram, and no one really sees what I'm posting there, which I don't really care. I love this channel way more than I love my Instagram account, but I feel like it just started off with that, with like the weird algorithms that were happening on Instagram. And then I was just like getting really discouraged, feeling like no one is really looking at what I post. And, you know, I mean, it's not about the numbers. It's really not. I could have 10 subscribers and be happy, but it's just the feeling of, you know, putting so much effort into this thing, this hobby that I have, and, you know, like buying lights and, editing it and all the time that it takes to actually do it, let alone, you know, the uploading process and stuff like that, which is super fun for me, by the way. But it's like there was a point where I definitely felt like I was doing it for no reason, other than because I hoped that people would see it, you know what I mean? So I don't know, that's just how I felt for a while. Which is probably why I wasn't uploading. But I feel like now I realize that it was just clouded thinking, because it's not true. And I really recently actually uploaded my 2,000 subscriber Q&A video, which was super exciting. I didn't even think I would get to 1,000, let alone 2. So I know that there are many of you that watch and then actually care to see what I post, what I paint on my nails, care to learn about things nail related. And so I realize that it's just in my head, and then I need to sort of get out of the slump of thinking that and start to enjoy it the way that I used to. So that's what I'm going to try and do. I did 2 coats on this hand, 1 coat on this, and totally forgot the thumb. Who does that? But anyway, that's just where I'm at. I guess the explanation as to why I haven't really been uploading. But I just really would love to hear from you guys, what you guys think, what kind of videos you guys would like to see from me. I know that my most popular video, which is where I'm assuming majority of you guys come from, is my how to stamp video from my Nail Art for Beginners series. That one has quite a bit of views. So I feel like majority of you guys come from that video, and so majority of you guys probably love to see stamping nail art tutorials, and I love stamping, so that is definitely not an issue there. And I want to do more how to videos with like how to freehand, how to do reverse stamping. I've been saying that I was going to do that for the longest, but obviously I haven't been uploading, so I haven't done much of that. But that's still the plan, to do those videos. And of course, just regular nail art tutorials. Maybe I'll even end up doing some sort of nail art over this holographic nail polish later. But yeah, just let me know what you guys think. I know that this video was super random. I was super all over the place, and I really don't understand where I was, I don't really understand what I was trying to say. So if you guys don't either, I don't blame you. But that's just what's been going on. But moral of the story is I will be uploading more, hopefully. And hopefully if I create an uploading schedule, I'm thinking every Monday and Thursday, or maybe even Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Because I feel like I did that for 1 week and I was really, really happy with how consistent I was uploading. So maybe I'll do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, which is 3 videos a week. How crazy would that be that I'll go from like uploading once a month to 3 videos a week? But if you guys would watch it, if you guys are interested in watching 3 videos a week for me, then definitely let me know, and let me know what you guys think. What you guys think about this channel and about my videos. I will gladly take constructive criticism, as long as you're not mean, because I get some really rude comments and it just bothers me so much. I'm totally kidding. I don't care for hate comments, but I think you guys, if you, those of you who defend me, because there are a few of you who defend me in the comment section when someone says something mean, and I think it's just the nicest thing. So thank you if you're one of those. So yeah, that concludes this video. Isn't this nail polish gorgeous? I'm gonna go and add a quick dry top coat once this dries up, and yeah, that's basically it. So thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you made it this far into the video, because the amount of rambling that went on is insane. I couldn't even keep up with myself. So yeah, hopefully I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye!